Good day everyone! We're going to present to you our final project for the course of Accounting Information System 4 with my group mates Emmanuel Diana, Emmanuel Escobido, Jenny CODERA, and I, Monica Shane Monreal. The project is about the framework of backup and disaster recovery. The instructions given are, if it is not too much, but the reality is the small to medium business enterprises and organization does not perform any backup of their data. But we all know that adequate backup and disaster recovery procedures should be implemented to ensure that financial data can be restored in the event of a disaster. So how we can help these organizations perform their backup? What will be your possible solutions? Create the textual and visual solutions to think of. A backup and disaster recovery plan are the set of policies and software solutions that work together to maintain business continuity in the event of security incident. These plans typically include guidance on how to properly restore data with the backup software used by the organization. One copy of a file on your computer does not a backup make. Computers can become infected and accidents happen. But even after losing important documents, irreplaceable photos, or entire sets of financial records, most of us still don't back up. The most likely reason is that backing up takes some effort, but backing up can be as simple as copying a file from one spot to another, from a hard drive to a removable USB flash drive. But your needs for redundancy, security, and access dictate what kind of backup you should use. If you need to back up a specific data only, use software that lets you choose which files you want to save. There's plenty of free software to take care of this for you, including built-in Windows features. For the backup server configuration, we have Emmanuel Diana to discuss it to you.
Thank you, Miss Monica. Let us proceed to backup configuration. So in step 1, of course, we must need to log in first using the cloud system. User interface with the system credential. Step 2, navigation menu. From the navigation menu on the cloud system interface, click System Backup Restore to open Backup and Restore page. Step 3, Change button. Simply click the Change button to add or edit the backup server. Step 4. Set backup location. Here, set backup location window, click the Create New only. Step 5. Provide details. Provide the following details to add a backup server or location. Here we can see a name, unique name to identify iCloud system to backup location, host name, IP address or host name of backup server, mount path where the backup is to be stored to backup server. Port number to access the backup server by default is 22. Authentication type. There are two types of authentication type. First is the authentication password, then the second is private key. Then the last is encryption. It is optional because enable to check box if data stored is the backup server to the encrypted. Then step 6, click save. Click save button to add to backup server location on cloud system. Note, if encryption checkbox is enabled, provided the necessary setting for private key. Then the last is close. Just click the close button after the backup location is saved.
Next is the backup profile creation to be discussed by Jenny CODERA.
For the backup profile creation, step 1, login. Log into the cloud system user interface with the system credentials. Step 2, navigation menu. From the navigation menu on the cloud system user interface, click System, Backup and Restore to open the Backup Restore page. Step 3, create new. Under the backup configuration, click the Create New. Step 4. Provide details. Provide the following details to create a backup profile. Name. A name of the backup profile. Location. Select the backup location from the list. Select the location that we created earlier in the backup server configuration section. Type. Select the backup type. Select backup or full backup or component backup or custom backup. Backup. Select the backup on demand or scheduled to trigger the backup. Step 5. Close. Click the close button and then the backup profile will be auto-saved.
The next topic is scheduling backup. Step 1 is backup now. Once the backup profile is created, select the backup profile and click the backup now. The image shows in the part where you will have to click the backup now. The second and last step is the job queue. Click problem determination and then job queue to check the backup progress on the job queue page. The image shows what you can see in a job queue. The last topic is about restore procedure. It is to be discussed by John Emmanuel Escobido.
This is the last topic, which is restore procedure. Step 1, log in. We must log in to the cloud system user interface with system credentials. Step 2, which is backup and restore. This image shows the cloud system. From the navigation menu, the cloud system user interface, just click the system. Next is backup and restore to open backup and restore page. Step 3. The step 3 is select backup location. This image show the restore selection. To select the backup location from the location table, which the backup profile is linked. Step 4. Restore data. This image shows how to restore data. Just click the restore data. Step 5, just select the system restore. Figure 5, from the restore configuration pop-up window, just select system restore or component restore in the security tab according to the backup that is triggered. Step 6, select components. In figure 6, just expand user groups and select the components that you want to restore. Next step is click restore. Next step. For step 8, in the pop-up window that is displayed, provide the password which was given while creating the backup location, which is under backup location. Step 9, close. Then check for restore progress. Click problem determination to job queue to check the restore progress on the job queue page. With these steps, you will have successfully understood about working with backup and restore operation for cloud system disaster recovery management.
That is all about our final project for backup and disaster recovery. We hope we helped you a lot.